Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tasche, and today I'll be reviewing the brand new Designo Pro 2 software. Now, this is actually version 2 of the Designo Pro software, and what this is, it's an image creation software that lets you create images based upon vectors instead of on pixels. What that means is that you have more flexibility, and you can actually make your image as large as you want or as small as you want without any reduction of quality. With pixels, you have the issue where the larger you make the image, the more distorted it becomes. With vectors, you don't have that problem. Okay, so you can actually make an image as large as you want, even the size of a billboard if you want to. The product is coming to you from Todd and radu, hahaianu, and if you've ever bought their softwares before from either of these guys, you know they always deliver high quality stuff. So in today's video, we're going to go over the sales page. We're also going to go dive into the members area. We're going to talk about the front-end product and the OTOs. We're also going to do a demo of the software, and then we're going to talk about some bonuses you'll be getting when you take action now and you pick up your copy of Designo Pro 2 through my link. So here we are on the sales page, and this is actually a preview of the sales page. The actual official sales page has not been released yet. And what I like to do is whenever I want to buy a software, whenever I'm considering buying a software or a course or any type of product, I always like to look and check for a couple things. First of all, I want to see that there's proof that the software works. Okay, and also, well, let's take care of this one right here first. One thing I do like to see is a guarantee, a money-back guarantee. And as you see right here, they're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. I always want to see that. That's one of my most important things I look for in a product launch, is that the people that are releasing it put their money where their mouth is. So in this case, Designo Pro 2 comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it for any reason, just ask for a refund within the 30-day limit, and you'll get your refund, full refund, no questions asked. Okay, so what I always like to do is I like to see testimonials from people also who are using the software. I like to see testimonials from people of different levels within the industry. Okay, people that have a lot of experience, maybe some newbies, maybe some people in the middle. So I know that a lot of different people are having results with the software. Okay, and I also like to see proof and examples and kind of samples of what the software can do. Okay, and on this page, it shows you exactly different things you can do with software. Now, I'm not going to go into full detail on the sales page. You can actually do it yourself when you click the link down below and you go and check it out for yourself. Now, what I want to do now is I want to dive into the members area. We're going to do a quick tour. I'm not going to do the demo just yet. We're going to do a quick tour of the members area, and then we're going to do a demo, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about the front-end product and the OTOs and some downsells, and then we're going to talk about the bonuses. Okay, so when you get Designo Pro 2, it's all cloud-based. Okay, you don't have to install anything on your computer. It's completely cloud-based. So no worry about having to install anything, and it makes it so much easier. So, and also you can save things on the cloud too, which is great. You don't have to sit there and save stuff to your computer. You can save it on the cloud and access it anytime you need to from any computer. It doesn't matter if you're on a Mac or a PC or whatever it is. It doesn't matter. So the different things you can do with the software is you can create 3D box covers. Okay, as you can see here. I'm not going to go through all the examples. I'm just going to go click through the side menu here real quick. So you can create 3D box covers. You can create t-shirt designs. You can create ebook covers. Okay, a lot of cool designs there. Fully customizable, by the way. You can create magazine covers. You can create album covers. The internet's a little bit slow here. I'm in a hotel right now, so sometimes the internet gets a little bit slow. You can create branding mock-ups, okay, and those are pretty cool to use when you want to, kind of promote your services. Different things you can create mock-ups with, like this one has a lot of mobile devices on it. This one has, like a shopping bag and an album cover, things like that. You can create brochures, okay. These are a lot of great things you can do. You can create. What's great about this is you can create offline and online images. So for whatever your needs are, whether it's an offline campaign, online campaign, no matter what it is, you can create flyers. Okay. You can create Instagram images. It's a great way to get some. Maybe it's a great way you can actually create ads on Instagram by creating these images, and then go ahead and, like, if you want to either post it as a regular image or make a really nice one and create a paid Instagram ad for your website. You can create letterheads. Okay, you can create mock-ups, okay, presentations, you can create headers, and if we scroll down a little more, we got a lot of things we can create, guys. We can create 3D wearables, which, these are, 3D images of like t-shirts and stuff like that you can use for your ads. We can create, designs for t-shirts, vector designs for t-shirts. You can create Facebook ads. You can create magazine covers. There's a lot of things you can do here. And again, I'm going to go through these real quick. We're going to do a demo here in a minute, and it's going to show you exactly how to actually use these. I just want to kind of go through and give you an idea what all these templates look like. You can create proposals. You can create posters. Create web graphics. And again, I apologize for the slow internet right now. It's a little bit slow loading up because I'm in a hotel and the hotel Wi-Fi is rather slow. Let me see if I can get this. It's not loading up here. Okay, it's a little bit slow. There we go. There's web graphics. There's hand sketches and a new section, logos. You want to create a logo for your website, you can do that right here. And you can create invitations. Okay, so a lot of cool things you can do with this. And of course, we'll be going over all this stuff, everything here and everything else on the top here within the demo. So let's go ahead and do the demo real quick, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, and then we're going to talk about the bonuses you'll be getting when you take action and you pick up your copy of Designo Pro 2 through my link. So let's do that demo, and I'll be right back.
Hello, it's Todd here, and after the success of Designo Pro and the huge demand from our customers to make it even better, we've made it significantly more advanced. And this is, of course, a graphic editor that's based on vectors, so there's a lot that we could do with it, and you're just going to love what I'm about to show you, an actual demo. Presenting Designo Pro version 2. Now, let me show you inside by clicking Get Started. Now, the first thing you will notice about Designo Pro 2 is the whole new look and feel. And secondly, you'll see that we've introduced many things, including visual 3D graphics. There are 3D covers, ebook covers, wearables, and much more. Designo Pro 2 will have over 500 fresh new templates. Note that you could actually see all these beautiful templates before signing in. You will fall in love with this software. Just click here to sign in, and after you log in, you can see across the top some of the most important features of Designo Pro 2. Now you could add your very own custom fonts and use them in the editor. The next important feature is the Web API. So now third-party applications can integrate with Designo Pro 2 and access Designo Pro 2's designs in their applications too. Now let's select one of the designs and have a look at the editor. With the original Designo Pro, you were able to edit the design in a very simple way like editing text, changing colors. In Designo Pro 2, we've added advanced tools like Lock Element. Now you just select any element of an object and click this button right here. You select Lock Element to simply lock it in place. Now, once the element is locked, you won't be able to move it. A practical example of using this feature would be locking the background so it cannot move by accidentally dragging. You know, that's really important when you're working and you don't want things to get messed up. To unlock a locked element, follow the same procedure and select Unlock Element. Another new feature allows you to flip the objects horizontally and vertically with a single click. Select an element and go to the editing menu on the top there, and you just click Flip. Now on the main screen, we'll see our beautiful selection of realistic mock-ups. Now I'll show you how to use another of our great features. It's called Auto Adjusting Image in Mockups. Okay, so you select the mockup you want, and you click to go to the editor. You click this red button to add image to mockup. You select the image you want to add. You use the mouse to scroll or the slider below to adjust the image in the highlighted part. And now click Add in Mockup, and boom, it automatically fits itself inside the frame of the mockup. Now, this is a very powerful feature. With Designo Pro 2, you choose the template, select your logo, and you're done, really. Our t-shirt preview is a lot of fun, and our designs are vectors. That means you could create your design and use it on multiple items, from t-shirts to hats to gloves, without concern, because the design will not be distorted at all or blurred. That's because we're using the vectors. Now select any template and edit it if you want, and preview your design on various shirts. Our exciting new time-saving category is branding mockups. Now we're adding more designs to this amazing category daily. You click on the group that you want, and you may edit one item at a time or select bulk text settings and edit the whole group at once. How's that for increasing productivity? Now you can export as PNG or a JPEG and as a PDF vector file for printing purposes. But even better, we have succeeded in our challenge, and for the first time, you can export a vector-based SVG with fonts embedded, and these can be used anywhere in online and offline businesses. Let's wrap up with another great feature, saving the project. Until now, you were able to save the project locally on your system, but with Designo Pro 2, we are providing unlimited cloud saving space for our customers. Just click Save Project to Cloud like this and save it on the cloud. Now you can access it from here or from the main menu like this. So now with Designo Pro 2, we are kind of changing here graphic designing. We are creating a single platform for offline and online designs with the easiest tool to edit like a pro. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.
Okay guys, so now let's talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, because just like in any other product launch in the IM niche, Designo Pro 2 is going to come with its own share of upgrades and downsells to help enhance your experience. So first thing is, the front-end product is, of course, the Designo Pro 2 software, and that's going to start at $22.95, and there's actually going to be, if you missed it, there was an early bird discount during the early bird webinar where you may have missed it, but this is going to be going up during launch, so $22.95 is going to be approximately the starting price. Now this may change by the time the product goes live, but it's going to go up probably as high as $27, maybe a little higher. Okay, so again, the earlier you get in, the better price you're going to get. That's going to come with Designo Pro 2 has all the features of Designo Pro 2, or excuse me, Designo Pro 1.0, including all the additional features that you saw in the demo. Okay. Also, and if you're on my review page, I have a whole list of all the features as well, so you can check that out. And if you're on YouTube, just click that link; it'll take you to the review page. You can check out all the features for yourself. OTO 1 is Designo Elite, and that's $47. That's going to allow curation from Pixabay. It's going to give you a developer's license, and it also is going to give you 300 plus premium done-for-you graphics. We also have downsell number 1, which is going to be similar to OTO 1, but that's going to be a bundle of the developer's license and the Pixabay curation. It's not going to include the done-for-you graphics. Okay, that's going to be $37. Or maybe be $27, like it's to be announced. So whenever the product goes live, it may be $27, maybe $37, but those are the prices that are the tentative prices right now. Okay. OTO 2 is going to be the monthly exclusive graphics or done-for-you graphics. That's $17 a month or $67 a year. OTO number 3 is going to be the agency license. That's going to be $47, and that's going to allow you to give access to the software for 50 client accounts, okay? Or you can pay $67 and get up to 250 accounts, okay? So you can actually resell this to your clients and either purchase 50 accounts to resell or purchase 250 accounts to resell. Either way, the value there, of course, is the $67. That's the highest, the best value. Now, when you pick up your copy through my link, I'm going to give you an exclusive access to my bonus package. And you can actually learn about the bonus package by clicking this link right here on my review page. So if you're on the review page, just scroll down, just go past the buy button, and you'll see this link that says click here to check out all the bonuses. Check that out. Click on that. Check that out. And that's going to open up another page where you can check out the bonuses, and we'll go and load that up real quick. And the bonus page is actually in the middle of being created right now, so that's a different video. That's just a placeholder. And you got to get all of these bonuses, which you can check out by clicking on that link. You know, all these bonuses when you pick up your copy of Designo Pro 2 through my link, through the link on the review page. Okay, so with that, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Please be aware that Designo Pro 2 is being released on Monday, December 11th, 2017. That's if you watch this review video from via an email, you got this email today. So today is the launch of Designo Pro 2. If you're watching this on December 11th, 2017, and it's launching at 11 a.m. Eastern. Now, if you got this video in email, you should have gotten it about an hour before the product goes live. So it'll give you a little time to look over. The launch closes on December 13th at 11:59 p.m. Now, here's the thing: when that launch closes, okay, not only will Designo Pro 2's price go way up, but also all the bonuses are going to be taken away to be gone. So the bonuses are only good until this timer here that you see on this page hits 0. Okay. And again, once that timer hits 0, the launch closes, and you're going to be paying a lot more for Designo Pro 2 instead of the very low introductory price. So, with that, guys, this is Kurt Tasche. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And with that, I also look forward to talking with you in the next video. We'll see you then. Bye.